Greetings everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. For my new viewers, welcome to Asedoskitchen. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make mula dama in its simplest form. This is a simple South Sudanese onion and tomato based beef stew recipe. I start by frying the onions until they turn golden brown and add the tomatoes. I cook these together for a minute, then add chicken stock cubes, black pepper, curry powder, and the meat. I stir to combine and cook it covered on medium to low heat for 5 minutes without adding water. I now add tomato paste and water. I also add garlic paste, mix to combine, add a cinnamon stick and cook this for 40 to 45 minutes or until the meat is cooked to my liking. I add cumin powder and salt, then mix to combine and allow it to cook on low for 5 minutes. The kitchen smells so good and I can't wait to dig in. The stew is now ready to serve. You can pair it with rice, bread, kisra, injera or chapati. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. For any comments, questions or suggestions, feel free to write them down in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.